Culture Overrash, fáil mímis Gaeilge. Welcome back to fáil mímis Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish. Level A1, topic a de, Rannóg hocht táime tinn, ag díriú bheith Scríbhneoireacht. Level A1, topic 10, section 8, I'm sick, focusing on writing. Le múna, a rá nach bhfuiltear ag mothú go maith agus ólas a thuairt faoi Tinneas nó faoi Gortuithe. So saying that you don't feel good and giving information about illness and injury. Bag an bhuíoch táime tinn uait an Scríbhneoireacht seo. You'll need the handout. I'm sick for this activity. The link to the handouts is in the description box below. Táime tinn, I am sick. Ní bheidh tú san oifig gniu. You won't be in the office today. You will not be in the office today. Tá tú tinn, you are sick. Tá tú ag scríomh riamhphoist chuig an manaistóir. You're writing an email to the manager. Ránig focail amháin ón gCorcail le cur i ngach bearna. So select one word from the circle to put in each blank space. Bhí churamach, ní bhuinig tú úsáid as gach focail sa gCorcail. Be careful, you won't use every word in the circle. Shahid na focail, here are the words, make sure you understand them. Dochtúir, measa, ma, orm, leaba, cín, tíirseach, agam, pian, tinn, fear. Le an riamhphoist, tá seans nach digigh tú gach focail ach tuair buile faoi thuairim faoin gcéal atá leo. So read the email. There's a chance you may not understand every word, but give a guess as to the meaning of them. Le mi tríd dús, we'll just read through it first, and you can put in the words. A Joe a chara. Ní bhaidh mé ag obair inniu mar tá sláideán. Tá mo scórnach agus tá Tinneas orm chomh. Chuaigh mé go dtí inné. Maithíam rud beag níos inniu ach tá mé lag go leor fós ach tá mé an. Caithfidh mé fanacht sa inniu agus amórach. Tásúlagam go mbeidh mé san oifig arís maidin de luan. Slán tamil, Paul. A Joe a chara. Dear Joe, ní bhaidh mé ag obair inniu mar tá sláideán orm. I won't be working today because I have a cold. Tá mo scórnach tinn agus tá Tinneas cín orm chomh. I have a sore throat and I have a headache as well. Chuaigh mé go dtí an dochtúir inné. I went to the doctor yesterday. Maithíam rud beag níos fearr inniu ach tá mé lag go leor fós agus tá mé an tíirse. I went to the doctor yesterday. I feel a little bit better today, but I'm still weak and I'm very tired. Caithfidh mé fanacht sa leaba inniu agus amórach. I have to stay in bed today and tomorrow. Tásúlagam go mbeidh mé san oifig arís maidin de luan. I hope I'll be in the office again Monday morning. Slán tamil, bye for now, Paul. Bag an bhuileog táime tinn freagra uait don Scríbhneoireacht seo. So you'll need a handout, I'm sick, answer for this activity. Táime tinn, freagra. So freagra is an answer, or in this case, a response. Is tusa an banisteoir Joe McDermott. So you're the manager, Joe McDermott. Scríobhann tú riamhphost arás chuig Paul. You write an email back to Paul. Bud úsáid as abertí, ceistena agus phrásaí a chlúdaíoch sa rang. So use sentences, questions and phrases that have been covered in the class. Dean ransú inchine an bhóclór a bheith úsáideach an task seo. So brainstorm some of the vocabulary that would be useful for this task. Anish lay an riafus amach osord. And now read the email out loud. Agus sin dara le Rannóg a hocht tá mé tín, and that's the end of section 8. I'm sick. Ará nach bhfuiltar ag mothú go maith agus ólas a thuairt faoi hinnis nó faoi Gortuithe, saying you don't feel well and giving information about illness or injury. Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacinta.com. Direct links will be in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. So many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for permission to use the learning resources on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh Tinneas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.